What's going on, guys? It's another day here in the paradise. You already know. We gotta start the day with the Celsius. Just want to show you guys what's going on in the agenda today. We have 2023 BMW X4M competition. Tyler, our main tenor here, master tenor.
How's it going? How's it going?
All right, guys. Tyler's gonna show you the clarity of the tint. He's gonna explain to you.
Of course, with ceramic, it's always going to be dark on the outside, depending on the percentage that you want to go. This is 20%, so it's obviously dark. But when you open it up with the ceramic, you're getting that clarity and that visibility that you want, along with protecting your interior. If you take a look at that, clear as day. When it comes to nighttime, it's really not going to bother you as much at all. And then the same thing with the windshield, if you want to take a look at that. Windshield's 35%, like I was saying. Clear as day. If you just want that visible smoke, perfect fit. Definitely blends all your tint and film together.
Here we also have this Lamborghini STO. We're going to be putting a titanium exhaust. So stay tuned. Let me show you guys what we're going to be putting on the Lamborghini STO. So these are the Lab titanium exhaust. Very beautiful. On this puppy right here, so stay tuned. Look who we got here. We got DK in the house. We got Jace Lambo. Hello, sir.
What's up?
What we got today?
Oh, today we got a nice center lock for that
Oh,
Lambo
boy.
STO. So Ivan, the master mechanic, can do his job.
All right. What a day. Right, Breno? Today was a pretty interesting day. Not gonna lie. Went ahead and take apart the STO. We're gonna show you guys what it looks like in the back. Let's see here. Had some complication with the fitment on the exhaust. So we're gonna have to customize the exhaust pretty much, the hanger. Only the hanger, so like the rest fits, just the hanger doesn't fit. Other than that, we're gonna get it right. Tyler over here.
No excuses.
Only solution.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be it for today. Like and subscribe. Make sure to throw some comments in there. Yeah. Stay tuned.